Alrighty, I think I was checking my old pillar removal video. I noticed a lot of people are having issues trying to put the pillar back in. So I'm going to do this again, only this time I want to show you how to put it back in. So anyhow, the first thing is you just get in. How do I do this holding? Oh, there we go. Anyhow, you just pull that and it pops out. The little clip is right there. And then you have this safety clip that apparently keeps this from popping you in the head when the airbag goes off. So you have to twist that and get it out. Here, I can put you down. Oh. All right, now I got that out of there. So you pull this down just a little bit and then you work this out. It'll pop out. Now if you look, there's the top mount. This is up here. And this clip, the only thing I can think is some of you all, while you were talking, this thing must have come out of here. Or it's moved, because see, I can move it. And this, when I put it back in, it's not going to fit. So what you have to do is make sure this is lined up just like that with the safety clip. Now, there's another little, that's more of a pilot clip, and it goes into the, so it doesn't really clip, it's more just a guide that you have to get that back in. And then down here at the bottom, there's these little tabs, and they go into the little holes there. So it's pretty easy how to get this back together. Is if you start at the bottom here and you work those two tabs into those holes, and then it sinks down in. And you want to make sure that you get behind this rubber weather stripping. You got to get behind it. So you just wiggle that down in there. See, it should just fall right in. And then that pin that's behind here, it's just to help line it up. And like I say, make sure this rubber weather stripping is over the A-pillar. And like I say, you want to make sure that clip matches that. And then you want to put this back in, the safety clip. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Yeah, let me put the phone down. Not that it's bad or it's a horrible thing. It just, the dexterity, you have to get that in there. Now, like I say, this moves around. This might be what the problem is with a lot of you. Make sure that that's lined up with the little hole there, so that when you put this back in, you should feel it go in. It ain't popped in, but it's in. And then you just push it till it pops. There, see, it pops in. Like I say, make sure the rubber weather stripping is on the outside of this. But that's the way you put it back together. I'm sorry, I didn't actually just show how to put it back in. I figure it was kind of self-explanatory, but I could see where it would be a problem. So I hope this helps. This A-pillar, I don't think they changed it in the entire run of the Gen-5s, and the Gen-5s went to, what is it, 2020? So it should be the same with all of them. See, it's in there good and stout, but the way it's made is if that airbag goes off, this pops out, and that strap keeps this thing from hitting you in the head while the airbag's deploying. So anyhow, hopefully that helps y'all. God bless y'all. You still have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll try to address them as I can. Yeah, I didn't realize that was going to be an issue, but now I see why, because that little clip spins, and it's got to be lined up with the clip. So anyhow, God bless y'all. Hope this helps.